Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Monday, March the 6th. This is David and let's start digging in. So we got a little bit of additional follow through to the upside in the S&P 500, and that brought us right up ever so close to this Voodoo Fire line at 4083, right? Remember, that's the level that we talked about being a potential spot for a bounce to run out of gas. Here, also not too far away from the 61.8% retracement of the decline from the February 2nd high. However, we got there awfully quickly, and that raises some questions as to whether this bounce is done near that initial target level or not. So as always, what will show whether resistance holds is if we do get a sell trigger and then the expected follow through to the downside. But we can also look to the dollar index, which we've been watching, to see what information that holds, right? So remember, this has been trading roughly inverse to the equity indices. And so, of course, the dollar index has been rising in here from early February, while the S&P 500 has been dropping. And, the last few trading days from last Thursday's low, where the S&P 500 has popped back up a little bit, the dollar index has come back a little bit. Now, remember when we first started talking about this, it was when the dollar index found support at its fire line. We ran up to the Voodoo snow line, pulled back, broke through that snow line. Getting solidly above and pressing above this 105 3/4 snow line here in the dollar index would be a stronger sign that that the dollar might be resuming an uptrend, and if so, might suggest that the indices would be under some pressure. So meanwhile, breaking below this 104 snow line would likely leave this bounce looking more counter trend unless or until we got back above that 104 snow line and continued working our way upward. So I'm going to watch these levels and the price action in here in the dollar index for additional clues. There are some things that we can watch in the S&P itself. We'll get into that in the premium video because it is a lot more intricate in terms of figuring out whether we are going to turn down from near that 61.8% retrace. And so the dollar index may give some other clues. I hope you found that useful, and I will see you at the next update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.